Hey, good morning, grade 2.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, grade 3.
Good morning, sir.
Oh, good morning. So before we proceed our lesson for today, please stand up for the prayer. Princess, please lead the prayer.
Almighty Father,
Amen. So before we proceed to our lesson, let's sing a song, Bahay Kubo. Okay? 1, 2, 3, go! Bahay kubo, kahit munti, ang halaman doon ay sari-sari, singkamas at talo, sigarilyas at mani, sitaw, bakaw, patani, undol, patola, upot, kalabasa, at saka mayroon mabanus, mustasa, sibuyas, kamatis, bawang at luya. Sa paligid-ligid ay maraming na. Okay, so today class, our lesson is about the good nutrients. So, the good nutrients. So, what is the good nutrients? Okay, please read, Princess.
good nutrients is essential
During childhood,
as it is a time
rapid growth, development, and activity. This is also a vital
time for healthy thought
and thought development and
and
prevention of decay, general eating habits, and
patterns
are formed in the first few years of
like
life. Okay, the good nutritions have top 5 essential nutrients that your child needs for proper nutrition. The first is the protein. So, second is iron. Third is vitamin D. Fourth is calcium. And fifth is omega 3s. So class, the first is protein. So what is protein? Protein is an important part of a healthy diet. Proteins are made up of chemical building blocks called amino acids. Your body uses amino acid to build and repair muscles and bones and to make hormones and enzymes. They can also be used as an energy source. And here is the example of protein. So what? And here are the examples of protein like fish, cheese, broccoli, beans, nuts, and egg. The next is iron. Iron is a major component of hemoglobin, a type of protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen from the lungs to all parts of the body. Without enough iron, there aren't enough red blood cells to transport oxygen, which leads to a fatigue. So, here are the example of iron like the green leafy vegetables, seafoods, also beans, nuts, liver, and others. Okay, did you understand? So what is the example of iron? Green leafy, seafoods, beans, nuts, and liver. So, The next is the vitamin D. So the next is vitamin D. Vitamin D is a group of fat-soluble corticosteroids responsible for increasing intestinal absorption of calcium, magnesium, and phosphate, and many other biological effects. In humans, the most important compounds in this group are vitamin D3 and vitamin D2. So some example of vitamin D is, again, the fish, egg, cheese, oil fish, beans, seafoods, mushroom, and milk. Okay, again, what is the some example of vitamin D? Yes, Princess?
Fish.
Yeah, fish,
Beans.
beans,
Seafood.
seafoods, and
Mushroom.
mushroom. Okay, very good. So the fourth is the calcium. So the calcium is a nutrient that all living organisms need, including humans. It is the most abundant mineral in the body, and it is vital for bone health, and humans need calcium to build and maintain strong bones, and 99% of the body calcium is in the bones and teeth. So here is some example of calcium. So again, also they have beans, again, cheese, boiled eggs, milk, nuts, and orange. And the last is the omega-3s. So omega-3s is a fatty acid, also called omega oils, are unsaturated fatty acid characterized by the presence of a double bond, 3 atoms away. These are the top 5 healthy foods and good nutrients. What is the first? The first is louder.
Protein.
Protein is important part. Proteins are made up the chemical building blocks called amino acids. The second is the
Iron.
iron. Iron is a protein that carries oxygen from your lungs and all parts of the body. The third is the vitamin D. The vitamin D is a group of fat-soluble corticosteroids responsible for increasing intestinal absorption of calcium, magnesium, and phosphate, and many other biological effects. And the fourth is the calcium. The calcium is a nutrient that all living organisms need, including humans. And the last and fifth is the omega-3s, or fatty foods. So these 5 essential nutrients give your body healthy and strong. So before class, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
So now we'll have a short quiz. If you are listening to my lesson. So okay, let's start. Okay, number 1, a multiple choice. So number 1 is, which is a healthy food? A, candy. B, pizza. C, vegetables. D, hamburger. Next is, which is a healthy drink? A, coffee. B, milk. C, soda. D, tea. The last is, what should we eat to prevent diseases? A. Fries and ice cream. B. Candies and chocolate. C. Fruits and vegetables. And D. Hamburger and hot dog. Okay? Papers up. Okay? Exchange your paper with your seatmate. Okay, number 1, which is the healthy food? A. Candy. B. Pizza. C. Vegetable. D. Hamburger.
C.
C. Vegetables. Very good. Second, which is a healthy drink? Coffee, milk, soda, or tea?
B.
B. Milk. Very good. And last is, what should we eat to prevent diseases? A. Fries and ice cream. B. Candies and chocolate. C. Fruits and vegetables. And D. Hamburger and hot dog.
C.
Okay, very good. Okay, pass your paper. Okay, congratulations. You got a perfect score. So clap your hands. So, that's all for today. But before we end our classes, I will give assignment. So in your assignment, drew a food that belong in healthy food and unhealthy food. So your assignment, draw a healthy and unhealthy food. Okay? Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And that's all. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye, classmate. Goodbye, sir. Mabuhay.
Okay, thank you.